45 seconds in, it's Tim, Jared, Wayne, Rick, John, and Terry. First and second separated with less than a tenth, or 2/10.
After 1 minute 30 seconds, the top drivers are Tim are in first place, followed by Jared in second place, followed by Big Mouth in third place.
Nice move, Wayne. Jared takes over the lead. Tim second. Wayne third. Rick, John, Terry. Jared and Rick are on the same lap, or Jared and Tim are on the same lap. Wayne and Rick are on the same lap. John's 1 lap back from them. Leader's coming up behind John right now.
The top drivers are Jared in first place, followed by Tim are in second place, followed by Big Mouth in third place.
45 seconds to go. Jared's leading Tim by just about 4/10. Wires on?
No, they aren't.
Fix any wires.
Oh, okay. Maybe.
All drivers are finished.
All right. Jared wins that with 60, 402 with a 4. Tim second with 60, 402 with a 9. Wayne 58, 503. Rick 56, 505. John out early with 40. Terry with 17.